Well, it's the day before we leave for vacation. I have videos lined out until like the 10th, maybe 11th. I think I'm going to get one or two more done today. I'm going to recover the seat bottom. I ordered a cushion cover for a 2013 GMC Sierra, and the old lady's dad seen me do hers, and he really liked how it looked, and he said, "Would you do mine as well?" So I ordered one for his, and that came in, so I'll have a video out on that later. It's kind of a pain in the butt to do it sometimes. Also, I messaged 3 people on the scanner giveaway when Aaron, Power Stroke Tech Talk, hit 100,000 subscribers. I figured I'd add to it, and really appreciate him and his support. So I wanted to help his subscribers out as well, because I know a lot of us have subscribers that subscribe to each other, and I wanted to give away 3 scanners, but only one person actually responded to me right away, and I got that scanner out to him. I think it was a Foxwell, but I really was supposed to give him an X tool or whatever, but I talked to Aaron, and Aaron said they're all good scanners. Just pick a scanner and send it, because we don't remember which one got what, but they're free scanners, so no matter what, they'll be appreciative. And I got that scanner out already. Today I'm going to go ahead and send the other one out. The third guy never got back to me, so that'll be a giveaway in the future. He's already dead in the water on that. You snooze, you lose, right? So eventually we're going to give away a big Ansel. This is the scanner that I'm sending out today. Is a D7 from X-Tool, which is just like an Autel. It's the same programming, so basically it's an Autel just with D7 on it. And then I'm sending out the 4-dealer bulk 5W30 with 10% Marvel mystery oil added to it, and then also standard bulk 5W30 Ford dealer blend. And that's pretty much it for today. I do have a project coming up that I want to get to. It's a new company on the market. They're called Clearview. Basically what it is, you know how you got in the wintertime you get salt and stuff all over your backup camera? There's really nothing to clean it out until you come out, and what you do with your sleeve, you take your sleeve and you wipe it off a little bit, and you get your lens nice and clear. Well, they actually make a kit that's a template that goes on here, and you drill a hole in the plastic, and you put a snap-in jet, and you run a line from the front washer pump into a line that they supply you, and basically it tees from the washer pump up to the window and then back here. So every time you go to clear off your windshield, it will spray this back here as well, and it's a jet that sprays water over on here and washes all that salt off. I figured you guys would get a kick out of that, and it'd be something some of you might be interested in. It's about $90 for the kit, but they supply the T-fittings, the washer jet, the line all the way back. And that's a project we have coming up. Let me know what you guys think about that. I know some of you will like it, some of you won't. One of my initial thoughts, well, during the wintertime, I know it, a lot of this windshield washer says like negative 30 degrees safe, negative 20 degrees safe. What happens when you're traveling down the road and it's wintertime, it's real bad, and you've got something outside of that negative 20 parameter because of the windshield, and that line traveling all the way to the back? Or maybe if it's 10, let's just say 10 degrees or 0 degrees, but the windshield makes it feel like it's negative 20. Maybe the mixture is not quite right, or you got a bulk shipment from the dealer that where, you know, it's good windshield washer in cold weather, but once it gets super cold, it's just not the right concentrate that you would expect. And that line is cooled by the oncoming air, and the windshield factor really plays a factor in this, and that line freezes up. And what do you do? I don't know. Anyway, I know the engine bay, it's kind of warm in that area, so it's got some warmth to keep that line thawed out. But coming all the way from the front of the truck to the back of the truck, you know, how much does it actually keep that line, how's that alcohol and that content alone going to keep that line thawed out? That's my number one concern. But we'll try it and find out, you know. So this is me early on, kind of giving you guys an update on what's going on. Maybe I'll release this later today, the 6th, or maybe the morning of the 7th. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll say goodbye to you guys tomorrow morning with a fresh video, and release this tonight. Maybe I'll release this later on the 11th or whatever, the 12th, just to give you an update on the scan tool and the oil I sent out and the camera in the back. I think you guys would be excited for the upgrade. You know, something for our rear cameras where we don't have anything to wash them off in the back. And this company came out with a kit to install on your F-150 and Super Duties and other trucks as well, to give you that ability to wash them. Just a little over on the camera to wash it off. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below. Let's get this kicked off and let's go ahead and get these out. Oh, update. So this side, this plastic is untreated. This has no plastic treatment on it at all. You see how dull it is? This side over here, it's been a couple months. We've treated this with that graphene, turtle wax plastic prep and graphene. Look at that. You can even see the line where I stopped right here. Still there. It didn't go nowhere. Still looks nice and new. So this stuff does work. And then here, it's kind of wet. You know, it would be. Oh no, this is dry. This has graphene on it. This over here has no graphene on it. Yeah, big difference. The turtle wax graphene really did work. Here a couple months later with all the snow and salt and ice and stuff on this truck, it does work. That's the update on that. So I don't know, maybe there's a bunch of updates in one video. That's just to update the world, right? Maybe we should release this today so you guys get this information today. I don't know. Oh, look from up here. You can see the line right there where I stopped with the graphene. Yeah, this is a night and day difference. No graphene, graphene. Turtle wax, plastic trim restore with graphene. That's the update. Y'all be blessed. Take care.